This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Model O, safety first. Once done, remove the glide feet and expose the 4 screws. Keep each part separated so you don't lose them. You want a T6 or T8 driver and a small plastic spudger on a clean, flat mat. You'll open the shell now, so work methodically. This prevents static or accidental damage. Make sure to note where each screw came from because reassembly depends on order. You'll detach the top shell to reveal the PCB and button assembly. Be gentle, ribbon cables can tear. Once exposed, identify the primary left-click switch and test its travel with a screwdriver tip. See the worn actuator or inconsistent contact. If you know soldering, desolder the switch pads and swap in a compatible Omron or Kyle switch. Otherwise, use a click retainer mod or adhesive-free shim to restore action. You reassemble the mouse, ensuring ribbon cables sit flush and the shell snaps without gaps. Tighten screws in a crisscross pattern so the buttons align evenly. Plug the mouse in and run a click test. If clicks register cleanly, you're done. If you still see double-clicking, reset firmware and recheck solder joints, or replace the switch again. Intermittent issues often trace back to poor solder or a slightly misaligned actuator. If all else fails, contact the vendor or use warranty options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.